What up? What up? What up, you lazy bastards? If you missed the last one, we got a blowtorch now. That's beautiful. Got a little pressure gauge on there. That's what this was. I thought it was a grenade slot. It's for the freaking fuel. So we can burn that son of a bitch jutsu. And we have an AK, which is just doing amazingly, might I add. You can, you can kind of shoulder it, and which it's an AK. Who doesn't love an AK? So, Charlie, we are on our way to find your owner, and he can help us get out of here. And in the process, hopefully, we can find Patient Zero, because apparently his big ass survived that explosion. He's Patient Zero. Maybe he has more resistance. Here we go again with the penis shrinker. Charlie, let's walk around real quick, Charlie. Let's look around and see what we got going on here. We can grab that too. I don't think there's anything in there. Okay. Damn it. So we start off and we just get right back to a load screen? Crazy. Because that's exactly what's about to happen, Charlie. Load screen. Ready? Unless it's not going to put us in a load screen. Oh, it's not. Okay. Don't worry, Charlie. It's decontaminating us.
All right. Let's do this.
Please stand clear of the doors.
I'm about to say, I don't trust it. I had to get my gun ready. I don't trust it.
Whew, that's better. I feel like we've been spending entirely too much time in sewers.
You know you're a badass when you shoot an AK with one arm, Charlie. A grenade? Damn. Oh.
That sure looks like a train station to me.
I threw it too far. Are you serious? Come on, Charlie. What the hell happened to you? Charlie? Oh, okay. Sit down. Thank you for the propane. Got some food. Go ahead, get him, Charlie.
Take a seat.
I told you to get him, not take a seat. See, disembodied head, this is why only one of us needs to give orders to Charlie. Because you're doing a terrible job at giving him instructions.
Get him, boy.
You go ahead and take care of that, Charlie, while I get some ammo for us. Good job, Charlie. As always. Excellent job.
Down you go.
That sounded aggressive. Really aggressive. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Can't wait to see how this goes. Oh, we can't open that yet, Charlie. Can't open it yet. I'm just I'm just holding a magazine because I don't want to waste the ammo.
You got your passport, buddy? Otherwise, Freddy might not let us in.
I give a damn how Freddy feel about this. Freddy gonna get the hell out of our way, Charlie. Fred.
Gotcha.
Oh. So we need 2 of these little ones to make a big one. Ooh, not even a whole 2. Okay. Okay, he's cool. Full on 9mm. Cool. Hi, guys. Go ahead, Charlie.
Light 'em. Who is a good boy?
There we go. Oh. That's right. What the? Seriously? Raining zombies, Charlie. You telling me I couldn't hit her? That's what you're telling me? I gotta do like this? I'm about to say, I know this is about to be serious, Charlie.
What do you say we hijack this bad boy so we can get to the army sooner? Because no offense to you, bud, but I'm ready to see some people.
Don't worry, Charlie. I love you. I'll always love you, Charlie. I'm stuck, Charlie. Okay. Yeah, let's hijack a train that we don't know how to drive. You know what, Charlie? We'll figure it out. How about that, buddy? We will figure it out together. I love the fact I actually had to step in. What's going on back there? All right, cool. All right. We're about to drive a train, Charlie. We're really about to drive a train. Are you ready for this? Because I don't know what the hell. That's the power throttle off. Brake off. Brake on. Medium. I don't know what's happening. It's very sensitive. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Okay, let's hope for the best, Charlie.
What the? Why isn't it moving? Are we stuck? What are we stuck on? We gotta find a way to get to the back of the train and see what we're stuck on.
Well, let's put the brake on while we're here, Charlie. I ran up on it. All right. Charlie, you investigate. I'll take care of the zombies, okay? I thought I had my shotgun on me. I didn't mean to do that. Why did you go that way? It was a waste.
Buddy, for the win!
Seriously? You really gonna make me do this? What the? Just die. Don't mind if I do, Charlie. Let's see what's stopping us from moving. As long as it ain't no bullshit with patient zero, I'm cool. I don't know, Charlie. Let's go ahead and shoot Gretel.
That one looked painful, Fred.
Good job, Charlie, because I missed. Oh. Not the right magazine. That's how John Wick taught me how to do it, Charlie. I missed every shot. Every shot. Make sure nobody behind me. Whoa! You're moving a little quick, ain't you?
Very good, boy.
Oh, I'll let you get him, Charlie. I thought I heard somebody. My barrier popped up. I couldn't see the indicator. You didn't kill him, Charlie. Oh, wow. Don't mind if I do. Shotgun shell. Glue. Nice. Pizza.
Ugh. Maybe I should be eating brains.
I don't want to. You know what? If my disembodied voice and subconscious turns to a zombie, feel free to try to eat brains. But until then, buddy, we're sticking to old pizza, dirty burgers. Okay? We already got a bomb. Don't really need another one. Don't use them too much. Probably should start using them more. Alright. Now what's stopping us, Charlie? Can we walk this way? No. Oh, okay. I see. I didn't see it at first, Charlie. Ooh, excuse me.
Sorry to burst your bubble, Fred.
I'm not. I'm sick of all of y'all. You actually hit me? Phony. You were nowhere near close enough. Why are you spewing out blue? What is this, Zom 100? Alright. What is back here? Charlie, if we unclog this thing and then we gotta chase down the goddamn train, I'm gonna be angry. I just want that to be known.
What the hell is our train stuck on back there? Huh? This looks like a buddy problem. You don't come back from that.
I got you, Charlie. Now how do I can't get over there, Charlie.
Good dog.
You gotta knock that thing down for me. Don't worry, I'll be okay down here. Ain't nobody gonna mess with me, and if they do, they're gonna get the blowtorch. They're gonna get the cartoon. Charlie. Oh, you did pretty good, buddy.
Hey, Freddy. Nice of you to drop in. Up we go.
You're gonna stay away from me and my Charlie. That's what you're gonna do. Ugh. Okay. Nothing down there. Bunch of you bastards down there. Guess we're going over this way, Charlie. Hi. They're coming up? Well, well, well. Seriously? This one too? Thanks, Charlie.
Good dog, buddy.
I wasn't prepared.
Gotcha.
I didn't make sure everything was real. I keep thinking my shotgun is on my left-hand side. It's not. It's a freaking blowtorch. Which, actually, I got 5 canisters, so I should start using. I don't know how I feel about this one, Charlie. I refuse. I will die before I eat a hot dog. But we'll take this bomb. We already killed most of y'all. Really? Unnecessary damage. Where'd my bomb go? Oh, where'd my pipe bomb go? Damn it! Oh, here we go. Alright, let's see. What are we... Wait a minute, Charlie. There's a box over here. Come on, Charlie. Oh. Don't, what's that? There's food right there? We'll eat that last little bit. Don't mind if I do.
It hits the spot.
It does. It does. I love it. It's delicious. You know what? I thought I put the magazine in. Oh, right. Wrong magazine. But that adds to the overall. Thank you for my bomb. All right, come on, Charlie. We hear it being rickety. We don't know why it's being rickety, though. Oh, well, I see that. That's not going to be much of a surprise, Charlie. Seriously?
Buddy, go get him.
You could have got him. What'd you run for? I gotta back up my barrier. Oh, you know what, Charlie? Why not?
Bye-bye, Fred. Real nervous about my ammo situation.
The damn gun got stuck on the train. Seriously? Burn, you son of a bitch. Burn. Burn. I think we did it, Charlie. Let's go looking around first. Got some food. Ourselves topped off. Hey, it's the Ooga Booga mask. Ooga Booga. It's a little tiki mask from what was that? Crash? I see it and I think Ooga Booga. Ooga Booga. Thank you. Oh, thank you for waiting. Appreciate you. Oh, I can hold 6? How many can I hold? I don't know, Charlie. Any low ones? We need to get ready to reload. I already know that. I feel it in my bones, Charlie.
Gotcha.
Make sure you go. We gotta check your back. Take them neck shots, big boy.
Very good boy.
Ready, Charlie?
Oh, well, that explains why our train's stuck. It's attached to a big frickin' crane thing.
Jeez. It's a claw. Yeah, we not going no goddamn way. Get out of my face. We ain't going no goddamn way with that claw on it. You take care of him, Charlie.
How are we gonna detach this train car?
Easy. Use the lever. After I look around. Okay.
What a good dog!
You should be able to use the lever.
Needs a
Key. Okay. So you put the key in to use it, then took the key out and went somewhere with it. Just even in a zombie apocalypse, that's a little silly. A little doesn't make any goddamn sense. Oh, it was a whole magazine. I did not know. That's fine. Really? Hi. Is there a key in there, Charlie? All right, come on. Oh. So how the hell do we get in, Charlie? Nope, we don't get in that way. How the hell do we get in? Oh, right.
Okay, gotta be a key around here.
There you go, Charlie.
Hey, buddy, fetch!
You already on the move? Okay, shit, cool. What would I do without you, Charlie? But be stranded here, dead and alone. You're awesome. You're just the bravest dog in the world. The bravest dog. Oh, it's not the key to this. It's the key to the thing. I wanted to go in there and check and see if we have some ammo. It's food in there. So how the hell supposed to get in there? There ain't no damn door. Sure, I guess I ain't supposed to get in there then. Screw it. Jeez.
I guess I just yanked the whole thing off.
Oh my gosh.
We gotta get on the train now! Come on!
Come on, Charlie.
Legs, leg faster! Oh my god. Thank you, legs.
Jeez.
I'll
Oh,
never let you go numb
crap.
sitting on the toilet again.
Crap,
okay,
crap, crap, crap. I'm coming, Charlie. I wish that would drop. I wish that would drop.
Come on, train! Train faster!
Oh, I got my wish.
Holy shit! So long, Freddy's!
Woo! We did it. We did it, Charlie. We did it, Charlie. We did it, Charlie. I'm sorry, I'm excited. I'm having so much freaking fun. Oh my goodness. And I hope anyone that watches this is having fun with me too. You know, having fun along with me. You know, even if you're not, I'm still having fun. I mean, I don't know what to say to you. That's what we do around here. I get mine. You're going to have to find a way to get yours. Good job, Charlie. Good boy, Charlie. Charlie, 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 Charlie. Let me grab my... Yeah. We ain't had a smoke break pause in a while.
Yahoo! Human beings, here we come!
We're ready. They're coming, Charlie.
The army guys see us rolling up in this thing. Man!
How do we stop the train, though?
Alright, bud.
Because eventually we're going to have to jump off. Oh! Yep, that's one way to do it. Don't mind if I do.
Hey, Freddy. Nice of you to drop in.
Hey, Charlie. What do you think ammunition this gun takes?
Very nice indeed.
Nope. Tuh. You my AK. You got me all the way screwed up.
No one's gonna miss it.
Nope. I'm cool. Open her up.
Give me a second here, buddy.
Yep, I gotta go up and open the door, Charlie.
Hang tight, buddy.
Oh no, I'm not going up. I'm going on the side. Oh, y'all tripping. Y'all wild.
It might not be safe up here, but it is cool.
Huh. Well, I see everything we gotta worry about, Charlie. Don't worry, Charlie. I'll take care of it. Hi, guys. What the? Seriously? So that means I didn't make it. That means my ass fell. Okay, let's try again. Okay, all right. Grab that. We're gonna grab this. Yep, we're gonna scale. You can tell I ain't been on the monkey bars in a long time. I ain't been to the playground in many a moon. I'm having a hard time with this foolishness. Oh, cross over. Up here. Oh! Set the whole damn thing on fire. I don't even care. Set the whole damn thing on fire.
Tickets, please. Get your tickets, please.
I'm coming, Charlie. Hold on.
All right, let's get this thing open.
Come on, buddy. Let's do this. You know what? We're gonna stick with the axe. Seriously? Charlie, can you get this guy out of the way?
I want to get Freddy goo on me. Could you pull him out of the way?
My gauge is low. I just noticed a little gauge right here. I got probably like one more burst of flames in this thing. We'll go ahead and use it. Seriously? Oh, you guys are assholes. There's no way. Oh my gosh, I knew
We
it.
gotta find another way around. Hold on, bud.
Okay, wait a minute. Oh, that was silly of me. Ah! Really, Charlie? You figured it out and didn't tell me. You just let me do this the hard way. You are something else, Charlie. Oh, shit.
Great job, Freddy.
Thanks, Charlie. What the? What? Okay. Ugh. Am I too close? Maybe I'm too close. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do this. We're gonna go around. We're going around. We're in.
Bodies, rocking everywhere.
I was just about to say, let the bodies hit the floor. That's what I was about to say. Charlie, move. Okay.
Way to go, buddy.
Charlie, come here. I didn't want you to get exploded, even though apparently you're immortal. Not too immortal, you just heal really fast. So you're not like Sif. Sif is actually immortal. Charlie. We could have done, oh, you know what? That's fine. I can still do it pretty easy.
Way to go, buddy.
Let's just say kaput.
Damn, ammo's getting low.
No, it's not. Shut up. Just saying stuff now because you need to say it. Oh, where'd you come from? Somebody behind me? Oh, okay. Huh. Okay, just for us to climb up. Charlie, can you jump up here, Charlie? Why did I even question the bionic dog? You survived everything, Charlie. What in the name of all that is good? Charlie? I gotta try this thing out. Ooh. Just in case. That's right, I threw a grenade up there. Because I want to use it. Seriously?
Sorry, Fred. No ticket. Go ahead.
It fell off.
Gunfight on top of a train, boys.
Doesn't get much better than that, right?
There's a good boy.
Nice try. Wait a minute.
What do we have here? Yo, yo, Freddy's. You guys doing a
Please.
flash mob?
Please.
Huh? Is one of you about to propose?
Charlie! Come look at this, Charlie! Yes! I don't know how much ammo's in this thing, but I want to wait until I actually get some up. I thought I saw one there, Charlie. Mow them down, boys. I love the way they just fall down.
Get off my train.
That's right, get off my train, you lazy, lousy sons of bitch. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Okay, this thing should be out of bullets.
Bubble, Fred.
Woo, that motherfucker red, boy, that motherfucker red. Can I take this with me? Oh, yes, I can. Well, can't do that. Oh man, I lost my big gun. It's back up there, but we can't go get it, Charlie. That's fine, it'd have been a cheating anyway. We don't want to make it too easy, now do we? I'm curious. Oh, nice. I'm glad I made the trip up here. For the ammo. Alright, I'm coming, Charlie. I don't really need another gun. Charlie! I really don't need another gun, Charlie, so... Let's try to... You know what? We haven't used a shotgun in a while. Thank you for holding my weaponry, Charlie. You're so helpful. You're such a good boy. It's the best, it's the bo... Hi!
Buddy, tell me you saw that headshot.
Wow, we can hold 7. Oh. Oh, a different plague mask. Thank you. Goddamn sausage. I won't. I'll die. I'll die before I eat one of those sausages. It may happen, Charlie. It may very well happen. But just know, I have no regrets, buddy. Go and get him.
I don't.
I didn't want you to waste too much time, Charlie. We got things to do. Did I miss anything? Go ahead and relieve yourself. I want to give you some privacy. I don't want to look at you while you do it, Charlie. That's just weird, Charlie. All right. Ugh. Here we go!
Buddy, we gotta get to the front.
Oh, I can just flick it to close it?
Stop this thing.
That's awesome. I could just flick it to stop it. Okay. Charlie? I don't know how I'm supposed to get up here, Charlie. I'm supposed to get up here, Charlie. Oh, crap. Okay. That's how I get over here. Whew. Okay. I'm coming, Charlie. I'm coming. I'm a little nervous, Charlie. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm a little nervous. Because I'm afraid something's gonna come and hit me. Like in Gang Beasts. Okay.
This is 555
Woo!
Actual. Is there someone on this channel?
Hey.
Yes.
Hello. Is this
How do I
radio
run it?
working? Army guy, can you hear me?
Something on this channel. You're the guy with my dog.
Yes.
Yeah. Wolfie, right? Listen, I'm gonna be there sooner than planned. We got a train working and we're heading north.
You're on a train?
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
God damn it. Listen to me. The Amber Pass is out.
The what?
The bridge! The bridge is out!
Shit. That's not good. Buddy, get out of there!
Charlie! Charlie! Oh no. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am so dead. That's why we're just listening to the sounds right now. I am so dead. Oh my gosh. That cockpit is nothing but metal. I went head first into a train cock. Oh my gosh. Smoke break done. We're gonna come back as a damn ghost. We'll still get Charlie back to his owner, but we're gonna come back as a ghost. We are done. Cooked even. Well, rotisserie style. It's pretty sure it's gasoline on here. Little zombie intestine garnish. We're done. We're gonna be something's meal. That's all I'm gonna tell you. That's what I know for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn how to edit. I'm gonna have to learn how to edit so I can cut out these loading times. I'm gonna try. I got a couple off days coming up. I survived that shit
Oh, well, that fucking sucked.
with no guns.
Buddy, where are you?
Oh my gosh, my AK
Buddy?
and everything is gone. Charlie, you were at the Charlie, you were at the front of the train, Charlie. Seriously? Oh,
You know what? If I die, at least I'll go down doing what I love.
climbing.
Falling to my death off the side of a train.
Yo,
Yay!
his upper body
Alright,
strength
I'm gonna
is
free solo this
unquestionable.
shit.
This guy is like freaking King Kong
Only a
Jr.
total moron would look down now.
Yeah, I agree.
Confirms my suspicions.
I didn't look down. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not gonna look down until we get to safety, because I don't do anything that my feet cannot feel. Holy shit. Wow. He's cooked. Okay. Oh yeah, we're climbing rocks now. We're a rock climber. Man, this man wants to live. He wants human interaction so bad. He is free scaling up a cliff. He is free scaling up a freaking cliff. I could not do this. I could not do this. Absolutely not. I don't have the finger strength, let alone the fortitude. And you want me to reach across the canyon? Yeah, nah. This is why I love VR. I can do things in VR that I would never attempt in real life. Because I enjoy life. I live a comfortable life. And I don't want to throw it away trying to be adventurous. You know, some things are just beyond me. Just a little too much.
Oh, boy, am I glad to see you.
Charlie, you are a
Hold on,
god.
hold on. I'll get you out of there somehow.
I need you to understand, you are a god, Charlie. Don't let anyone tell you anything different. I lost everything in the... We lost everything in the fire. I can't... I'm coming, Charlie. It was the fire of 1726. Oh, gosh, I have no weapon.
Hold on, buddy. I got a problem out here. Buddy, you gotta find me a weapon, okay, boy? Find me a
Yes.
gun. Go.
I'll take anything, Charlie. A gun, an axe. I'll take a spork. I can stick it in
need
the
that
eye.
Weapon, buddy.
Charlie.
Buddy, where are you?
Unless I can throw bullets at him. You're so smart, Charlie. Because I just said I needed a weapon and you knew exactly what to do. Charlie! Charlie! Charlie!
Oh, you perfect pooch.
Okay. Thanks, Charlie. And we're gonna line them up for a little bit. We're gonna save these ammo. Oh shit.
Whew. Damn. Damn. That was some hardcore teamwork, buddy. Okay, now let me find a way back around there.
Okay. Woo! Oh, look at the effects of that smoke cloud. That is amazing. The fire and the smoke? Man, let's take a second to just appreciate the quality of the graphics here. This is amazing.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, Charlie.
Oh, I missed you. How you doing? Huh?
We almost
Just
died,
can't keep
Charlie.
us apart, can they?
We technically we should have died. I'm calling it. I think we should have not made this. But at least you grabbed me the
Looks like a way
shotgun.
out to me.
We got a long way to go, Charlie. What if I don't want to use the damn deserter? Ugh. Woo! Charlie. That train ride was something else, wasn't it? It was gosh darn ridiculous, if I do say so myself. And I did say, I love that. That is awesome. And I did say so myself. Gosh darn ridiculous. Oh. Somebody coming? Well, let's hurry up and grab what we need, Charlie. Let's get the hell out of here. Son of a bitch. Yo, Charlie jumped from the top rope, though.
So long, Freddy.
These iron sights are not good for me. I don't have it. Charlie, you got to get one of them. There we go. I'm not a fan of this one. Might have to stick to the old school. Old school Colt Commander. Ugh. Okay. Alright. We got shotgun shells. 50-something rounds. Nothing. Oh, I gotta center myself, son. Seriously? Welcome back to Arizona.
Ooh, disgusting.
This looks familiar. This mountain pass really looks familiar, Charlie. If I didn't know any better, I'd say we were already here. In a previous life, in a previous game. Previous life in a previous game. Seriously? Thank you, Charlie.
All right, let's not fall off, okay, buddy?
Fuck. Yeah, I'm tired. That was a lot. I'm tired. I think we're gonna stop it here, and we're gonna come back after I've gotten some rest. Until next time, we are gonna finish this series, and then we're gonna run through Horde mode, and I can't wait for it.